Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to use your Windows PC as a mobile hotspot. So it's very easy. So what you have to do, just go to search button in taskbar in your desktop, and now write mobile hotspot, and on the first option on the top is mobile hotspot on your right and left. So now tab any of the option, and you will see that mobile hotspot, the first option on the top, turn on that option. As you will turn on, that mobile hotspot will be activated, and under mobile hotspot you can see power saving, and under power saving you can see properties. Now these are the network properties created by your computer for your family members or co-workers to use your internet. So here's the laptop Wi-Fi password, and if anyone will be connected, it will show here device connected section. Now if you want to change the details, customize the details, so what you have to do, here's the edit button, tap that button, and now you can change Wi-Fi name, change password, and then save. So guys, whether you are receiving the internet from Ethernet connection or Wi-Fi, this is the way that you can share your internet to your family or co-workers. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.